Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer iPhone data on MacBook. First thing first, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap your Apple ID or Apple account at the top. Select iCloud and tap Photos. Toggle on Sync with iPhone or iCloud Photos depending on iOS version. Now, open the Photos app on your MacBook Air. If it's your first time, you'll be asked whether you want to enable iCloud Photos. Just click Yes. If you don't want to see the prompt in the top menu bar, click Photos, Settings, or Preferences, then select the iCloud tab. Now, check the box next to iCloud Photos. You get 5 GB free iCloud storage. If your photo library is larger, you need to pay for an iCloud Plus plan. Both devices need to be signed in with the same Apple ID, and photos may take time to sync depending on your internet speed and library size. So, from now on, your iPhone photos will automatically appear in the Photos app on your MacBook Air. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.